Hi everyone, Paul Morbid here, Morbid Team Entertainment. In this video we're going to talk about all the pops, scratches, dropout, and trashy looks of 8mm, 16mm film art. Well, yes they are. If this was not so, then the late artists such as Andy Warhol and Jonas Mekas, Andy Warhol in particular, who became a self-made millionaire, would never become the artist that they were. So with that, and back in those days, for the really from the 80s and back, everything done in film was done mechanically. It was done by hand. There were no overlays to add. Today, it is repopularized with the re-emergence of 8 and 16mm film. A lot of young people are getting into it, which is really great. A lot of the 8 and 16mm cameras are being purchased again, discovered, as well as the film, and a lot of the documentaries, underground experimental films are being created. Some are very award-winning, and they've been shot on one Bolex camera. There's a lot of that with short films that are also underground very popular. So the eye of the artist, the eye of the director, is the one who can create this and control it. You as a director, as an underground independent experimental director, can create all of this simply by hand, by eye, of what you're going to do and what the camera and the film are going to do. There's nothing like that vintage look and feel of that 8 and 16mm film and camera. Also with your films, when you make those, hold on to them for as long as you can, if not forever, because they become very, very valuable. You know, it used to be that even Jonas Mekas once said that they went to asking Hollywood executives to buy their films. Hollywood didn't like them. Said they were just trashy and jumpy and jittery and out of focus. And turned out that they had a big following later in the universities and schools. It was then and after that that Hollywood started copying the experimental film genre. So yes, this is all art. And Jonas Mekas and Andy Warhol do have other films and art in museums, just to prove the point. Alright? So, experimental horror, underground horror, experimental film, and independent artists, no budget film artists who are now shooting on 8 and 16mm film, do enjoy yourselves. Use your own creativity and make those films and keep shooting on film. Hope you've enjoyed this video. Do subscribe to my YouTube channel and put a like on my videos. Thanks a lot, and bye-bye.